Hey you guys, it's Shundara. What is up? And welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video, we will be trying Allure's top 2020 Korean skincare products. You know, and it was not easy finding some of these products to test and try Allure. So, you know, you got like 28 lists going on, and it took me 3 to 6 hours to find some Korean skincare. So Allure, the editors at Allure, I know y'all not watching this video, but someone who's in contact with the Allure people, can y'all please let them know, can they get the Allure section together when it comes to Korean skincare and Korean beauty? I don't So the first skincare product we are going to talk about that Allure recommends a lot, one of the editors, is the Belif Aqua Jet Balm Jelly Cleanser. It's really hydrating. I do have a review of this cleanser on my channel. I've tried it 4 times after that review. It could be a hit or miss in my opinion, but the Allure people love it. The cleanser smells like their mist. It also smells like their face cream, the Aqua Bomb edition, and the sleeping mask. So the line pretty much is simple. I know everybody and their mama get PR from Belif. Everybody and their mama get an ad for PR from Belif. I have tons of Belif reviews on my channel. Do Belif send me PR? Do I get a thank you? No. Oh no. My thoughts are still the same on this cleanser. It's very drying. I do want to say this, when Allure did give a description of this cleanser on their website, they did say it was super hydrating. I think a lot of the Allure editors and people who test these products do live in New York, and New York is a little more humid as opposed to where I live, which is Arizona. It's a very dry climate. I tell you guys that all the time. So different climates, sometimes skincare works totally different. So if you live in New York, this may be the best hydrating cleanser of your life. If you live in Arizona, girl, good luck. So looking at a lot of the skincare products that the beauty editors, skincare editors at Allure do recommend, a lot of them recommend the Mediheal sheet mask line. And a lot of them I didn't have, and some of them I tried to get before this video that I couldn't get a hand on. So I just went ahead and got my BTS Tea Tree Care Solution Mediheal or Mediheal. Oh gosh, I hope I'm saying it right. Korean is not my first language. This is their collab with the brand Mediheal. I wonder how many of these sheet masks soon. So, cause I buy this box, like it comes in a kit, and I buy this kit like every few months because I use them up, because these sheet masks are really good. Allure, I don't know why you didn't have the BTS sheet masks on your website, because they're really good. They're really good, Allure. Even if I'm having a hard time opening it. Oh my gosh, come on, sheet mask. So I like the BTS Mediheal sheet mask because number one, it smells like tea tree oil. Number two, the fragrance isn't as loud. These sheet masks come in a lot of essence. Like, look, can y'all see all that coming out? Did I show you guys? Like, it is so much coming out. Like, look it. Like, can y'all see like drops and glob? Well, it was globs of it, but now it's not. It's not no more. It was, you guys. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes and the mask is off my face. Oh my God, can you guys see how dry it is? That's why I couldn't really drag the Belif cleanser, because I guarantee you in a humid climate, this would be amazing. Like when I did use this, I would say a couple of months ago, the humidity made it nice on my skin, but with the weather drying down, honey, that's just a botch cleanser. This literally dried on my skin, so now I gotta scrape the juices. And now it's just 20 minutes and it dried like that. Could you imagine after an hour, it would just look really crusty and just like paste on my face. So, so the next Korean skincare product I'm laughing because I had this mini sample. Look, I got like 6 of these, honey. So don't
be judging me.
The reason why I stopped buying full-size products is because when I buy them and I use a lot, y'all give me attitude. So I just buy samples, because what's the point of you using like 2 drops for a big head and then people giving you attitude for using 6 or 7? So I just keep samples on stock to save me the headache and save y'all from dragging me every 5 minutes for using a ton of product. So this is how much I'm using of it, and I'm gonna try to get that all over my face. It smells, I don't know how to describe it. Coming straight out the bottle, it smells like glue, but then it dries down. It doesn't smell like glue. You guys know those markers, those dry eraser markers? It smells like that with a bit of alcohol. And then after you like rub it in your hand or you apply it to your face, it smells like glue. That's what, so it's like it's a mixture of combination of those things. So I will say this about the Dr. Jart Pepidin little serums. I've been meaning to get the big one, but like I mentioned, I just stopped. But this is really an amazing serum. It like sticks to your skin and it works well with makeup. It dries down, very hydrating. It lasts a long time. And if you're a person you like water creams, like really like moisturizers on your skin, this serum works well with that. It's sort of like, for me, it warms my face in like a coating of like just honey. It's not sticky like honey, but it's sort of like a thick moisturizer. It almost mimics the feeling of glycerin. If you've ever tried glycerin on your skin, it sort of mimics that, but it's just 10 times better than glycerin. This is the Primera Alpine Berry Water Cream. It is known in Korea as the Intensive Cream Alpine Berry Watery in Korea. And you guys know with different languages, some things are kind of backwards. Personally, I like Intensive Cream Alpine Berry Watery as opposed to what we get, because I just like the sound of berries and water combined together, and berry watery. I kind of like that. But of course, we here in America, so everything has to be, you know, correct. We just can't get what they get. Now, I am almost empty with this cream, so I really do enjoy this cream. I will say the scent does mimic the Sun and Park Beauty Water to me. As I am rubbing this into my skin and pairing it with that Dr. Jart serum, oh my God, this is the best combination I've felt in a long time. My skin feels like, I mean, cream, like, oh my God, my skin feels so good. I've never thought of this combination and I feel amazing. I'm kind of scared to put SPF on now because the next step is SPF. And it was so hard for me to find an SPF. So I just had to pick an SPF on my own. But I wasn't going to put on no SPF. I am not going to lie. I was just going to keep my skin the same. So I am using the Make Prim one. Allure did not have a lot of SPF on their favorite Korean skincare products. I couldn't find any whatsoever. Is this gonna leave a white cast? Because last time I wore it, it didn't leave a white cast, but it's looking like it's about to. Y'all, oh my gosh. No, I'm gonna have to wear some BB cream. Okay, you guys, so it didn't leave a bad white cast. It's just a little white. It's not American white cast, honey. It don't look purple. It look like, you know, if you put like a little BB cream on or a little CC cream, you'll be fine. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do, and I should be fine when I run my errands. But honey, I think it left a white cast. It doesn't look bad, but if you look at my neck and then you look down here, there's a little white cast because I didn't get all the way down here. So yeah, I'm gonna apply a little bit of foundation so I don't walk out here looking crazy. Okay, you guys, so let's talk about Allure's beauty aka skincare Korean or Korean skincare product winners. I am amazed. I actually like some of the products that I did use that they did have on the website. I would like them to go much deeper. Like, they don't have any Coles RX. They don't have anything from like Dear Claire's. Like, there are a lot of Korean skincare brands that I have not seen on Allure's website that I would like to see. Allure, you know, we're in a day and age where Americans are really into Korean skincare, especially if you are a skincare enthusiast. So we would like to see a little bit more Korean skincare winners on the Allure website than we've seen this year and years past. Maybe going into next year, we'll get more. I'm excited to see where Allure takes it, because Korean skincare is in. It's been really popular. But now it's making its way to the US market like steadfast, and we the people want to see, Allure, what you think is the best in all things Korean skincare. We the people want to see, Allure. Look at me with the white cast. So Allure, please give us more Korean skincare products to test Allure. There are so many on the market for you to have like 5 and 6, and you know what, half of them were expensive as opposed to the ones us everyday average folks use, like Make Prim, Coles RX, you know, stuff like that. Y'all didn't have a lot of that. What do you think of Allure's website not having as many Korean skincare products as they should? We want to see Allure. Allure, please let us see more Korean skincare products on the forefront. Let us see it, Allure. With that being said, you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know all your thoughts in the comments down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.